Guys, welcome to another video on our journey to 100,000 in crypto. It's been a few days since I last did one of these. Just having some life events, so apologies for that. And the crypto market hasn't been great recently. What's this wallet saying? So this is wallet one. If you've been following the journey so far, you know that there's three wallets. And we're basically tracking the value in each, and the goal is to get to a total of 100k in crypto in the totality of the three wallets. We were doing very well prior to, I believe, was it October 10 when everything came crashing down. This particular wallet was as high as 25k, but now it's down to $18,000. Bitcoin went down as far as 82,000. And I did make a video encouraging people not to panic too much, because this volatility is normal. If you've been in crypto long enough, you know that these wild swings tend to happen. So I can't tell you what to buy, hold, or sell, but for me, I'm holding on no matter what, because I believe in the long-term future of Bitcoin and crypto in general. And I know that in the end, 5 years from now, this temporary downturn that we're seeing is not going to matter too much. So that's this wallet. We're 18,000 USD in this one. In the wallet number two, wallet number two, how are we doing here? We are ding, 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 ding. What's going on? I cannot see my portfolio balance. Oh, there we go. I think the app updated and things were positioned slightly different. So wallet number two, we are down to $15,170. Ooh, this wallet was at 21,000 USD at the high. That would have been a combined, 25 plus 21 is 46. We were at 46,000 USD. Now we are back down in the 30 somethings. I can't even bring myself to do the math. I think I've lost probably about 10k in gains. But it is what it is. This is at 15k. Again, we're holding a combination of Bitcoin, Ethereum, some Solana, some Cardano, some Sui, some XRP. The other wallet, basically I'm holding pretty much the same tokens. I'm just spreading it over two different wallets. So yeah, we're down about 6k on both wallets, if not more. So yeah, we've lost, I'm sure we've lost in our gains, in our unrealized gains, we've lost about 10 to 12 thousands of those gains, but we move. And wallet number three, which is a smaller wallet, and in this wallet I only buy a little bit of crypto every time, and I'm just using this to show people that don't have a lot of money, maybe you have a little $10 here, maybe $50 another week, maybe one week you might have $100, but you can only buy small amounts at a time. And that's what we're doing with this particular wallet. And this is the value in this one is in Canadian dollars. We did start this wallet with about $200, and we've been buying gradually, bit by bit, and we've been able to bring it to, it was as high as about $2,600 before the crash. We're now back down to just under 2,300. But we keep going. This is actually, for me, I'm not telling you what to do, but for me this is a great time to buy because we're getting it at a discounted price. You can see a few days ago, maybe last week, I picked up a bit more Ethereum. Where is it at? So you can see here, yeah, $50 of Ethereum, right? And I think I also bought some XRP. I bought maybe like $20 or $30 worth of XRP. Yeah, you can see it here. Yeah, $30 of XRP and $20 of XLM. So those are the type of amounts I do. And you might think that it's insignificant, but stick with me on this journey, and let's see where we are 5 to 10 years from now with this particular. I want to see what this wallet does 5 to 10 years from now, buying small bits of Bitcoin. Will I demonstrate that you can achieve greatness taking small steps at a time? Let's wait and see. So come on this journey, stick on this journey. If you haven't yet done so, like the video, subscribe to the channel to follow the journey. So that's how we're doing so far. We're down, but you know what? On the whole, I'm still in profit. That's the crazy thing, because I got in very early. I think my average Bitcoin price is probably somewhere around 50 to 60,000, if not less. It could be less than that. And so because I started buying pretty early, despite all the wild, downturn and the swings, and crypto going down pretty badly, I'm still kind of up. I am still up because of when I got started. And that goes to show that, the earlier you start, the better. And it's always great when you have the opportunity of not buying at the top of the market. Because when you buy at the top of the market, realistically, the only other way is down for a little while. You might have to stomach some temporary losses when you buy at the heights of the market. But that high is still eventually going to become a low, because it's still going to go higher, and that previous high where you bought may now become a support level, right, when it's gone even higher than that. So ideally, you want to be buying when it's not right at the top of the market so that you have room for movements. But even if you did and you're holding for the long term, you have the ability to hold for the long term, inevitably and ultimately, I think you're still going to win. So, but it's your decision. I'm not telling you what to do, just sharing my journey. So that's where we are on the journey to 100K. We've taken a couple of massive steps backwards. We are further away. I think, because the 100K in crypto that I'm targeting is 100K Canadian, right? So let me put that in. And the first two wallets are in USD. So if you do the conversion to Canadian, prior to the crash, I think I was sitting at around between 60 and close to 70K Canadian in crypto. So I was getting close. I was about 30 to 40,000 away. But now I'm probably back down to around 50K if I was to do the conversion to Canadian dollars, which is still good, but we're kind of like only at the halfway point. We want to be pushing closer to that 100K mark. So we're down, but we're not out. We'll keep pushing. So that's where I'm at. Let me know how you're doing. How's your wallet doing? How's your portfolio doing? All right. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't done so already, please like the video, subscribe to the channel to keep following the journey. Thank you. I really appreciate the views for taking time to watch this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.